Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time of you joining me on my channel, I'm saying welcome back to today's video. So today's video is a kind of recipe. It's not even a kind of, it's a recipe, but it is Nigerian veggie rice, which is Nigerian fried rice as well. But I just want to tell you, I just want to show you how I prevent my fried rice from tasting off or from tasting as if it's spoiled. You know, fried rice can be very funny. It goes off easily. So I'm just going to teach you how I prevent my own fried rice from tasting as if it's spoiled. So the first thing I do is I dice in a little bit of onions into the I'm sorry, into the hot vegetable oil, or you can use sunflower oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use any kind of oil that you want, but not palm oil. Anyway, what I'm gonna do now is I'm just trying to fry the veggie. That is the main thing. Make sure you fry your veggie. Once it's fried and once your rice is not too munchy, you know what I mean, not to kind of munch up together. When it's a little bit dry, not dry kind of, but dry, you see I'm gonna do with in my video. So the thing I'm doing now is I'm sorry. The thing I'm doing now is I'm frying the veggies, and I'm gonna put all my ingredients in the veggie. Right now I'm gonna put Maggi, curry, thyme, the fried rice seasoning, the chicken seasoning, everything, salt. Just put everything in your veggie, but not too much, because you know fried rice consumes, I think it's all on what's it called, the salt and everything. So you have to be very careful when you're putting in your salt, so that you won't have too much of salt or too much of Maggi in your fried rice. So I'm just doing it in minimum. Is it minimum or minimal? Anyway, so right now I'm gonna pour in my prawns, my pepper, my mixed pepper. And what I did is I used a little bit of what's it called, of chili pepper. Yeah, so that it will have that kind of chili taste in it. I don't like it to be too bald or whatever it's called, or mild, or you know, I like it hot, chili hot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm frying everything in the seasoning, and I've put in all my seasoning in it. So I'll fry that for like 10 minutes, and then I place that aside. And this is the rice. What I mean by it's dry is you won't let water to be too much in your rice, so that it will be dry. And this is the veggie. Then I put bay leaf as well. I forgot to tell you that. Just put anything you want to put in your veggie, and then fry it. Once that is fried, yeah, your fried rice will be as good as anything. And then what I did is I didn't cover the rice when I was cooking it. I didn't cover it, but towards the end of it, that is a little bit done, I had to steam it for like 1 minute, and then I place it aside. I had to use another pot for the mixing and everything, because I don't want it to be too munchy. I don't like it too munchy kind of. Me very cool for sure you shall understand what I mean. Anyway, English is not my ancestors' first language. Anyway, what I'm doing right here now is I'm just mixing all the veggie together. And then the thing about it, I had to put a little, let me say like a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of oil into the green pot, which I'm using right now to mix the rice with the veggie. And when that is done, I think you're good to go. And then just leave it open for like 2 minutes. But it depends on the weather you are in. I can't leave mine for 2 minutes without it getting cold within even 1 minute anyway. So I had to open it a little bit for like, let me think, I think for like 10 seconds, just to make sure that there's a little bit of fresh air in it. And then it's all done and ready to eat. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you all in my next video. And yeah, bye. Mwah.